Welcome to Compare to Win. The best saddlebag bicycle is probably one of the most versatile and essential accessories for any cyclist looking to enhance their riding experience, whether you're embarking on a long-distance tour, a daily commute, or simply a weekend adventure, offering a convenient and secure way to carry your essentials without compromising on comfort or bike handling. This indispensable piece of gear can transform how you pack for your rides, allowing you to bring along tools, snacks, extra layers, or even a small camera, ensuring you're always prepared for whatever the road or trail may throw your way. Number 5. ROCKBROS Bike Seat Bag. Introducing our innovative bike seat bag, designed with a unique 3D shell. It offers superior shock resistance for your belongings, protecting them even if the bag is dropped. We've upgraded the straps for a more secure and reliable fit. These enhanced straps ensure the bag stays firmly in place, providing peace of mind on every ride. Don't let the weather stop you. This bag is made with waterproof fabric and features a taped zipper to keep your essentials dry during rainy rides. Attaching this bag is a breeze. With simple straps and a buckle, it mounts securely to your seat post in no time, ensuring it stays put. Ride with confidence at night. A reflective strap enhances your visibility to others, and a convenient taillight hook is included for added safety. Inside, you'll find structured compartments and mesh pockets. They are perfect for organizing small essentials like keys, cash, snacks, and repair tools. We stand by the quality of our product. Enjoy friendly customer service and a commitment to your satisfaction with every purchase. What we like. This bag features a unique 3D shell with wave cushioning for superior internal shock resistance. Its upgraded straps offer enhanced durability and come with a lifetime warranty. If you prioritize protection for your belongings and a reliable, long-lasting strap system, this is the bag for you. What people say. The bag is made of durable material and has a good capacity for essentials. It's easy to attach and detach from the bike, which is very convenient. The reflective strips on the bag enhance visibility at night, adding a safety feature. Number 4. KEMIMOTO 34L Waterproof Bike Panniers. Introducing the KEMIMOTO Bike Panniers, designed to carry all your essentials. These versatile bags are perfect for any cycling adventure, from daily commutes to long-distance travel. Our panniers are designed to fit most bike racks, including city, mountain, road, and electric bikes. Simply ensure your bike rack is less than 6 inches wide for a perfect fit. Don't let the weather stop you. Made with 600D Oxford fabric and a PVC layer, these bags offer superior water resistance. Plus, an included rain cover provides extra protection against sudden downpours. With a total capacity of 34 liters, these bags offer ample storage. Each side features a main compartment and an outer pocket, giving you plenty of space for groceries, gear, and more. Enjoy a bounce-free ride thanks to the double fastening system. 6 heavy-duty straps and 2 side hooks ensure the bag stays securely in place, no matter the terrain. Our unique obtuse angle design provides ample pedaling space, preventing heel strikes. Ride comfortably and smoothly with these thoughtfully designed panniers. What we like. With a massive 34L capacity across 2 bags, this option is perfect for extended trips or heavy loads. It boasts enhanced waterproof protection with a rain cover and a water-resistant PVC layer. If you're a commuter, traveler, or someone who needs to carry a lot of gear, its generous space and robust waterproofing make it an excellent choice. What people say. The saddlebag is made of durable material and has a good capacity for carrying essentials. It is easy to attach and detach from the bike, and it stays securely in place during rides. The reflective strips on the bag enhance visibility at night, which is a great safety feature. Number 3. WOTOW 14-in-1 Bike Repair Tool Kit and Saddle Bag. Introducing the WOTOW 14-in-1 Bike Repair Tool Kit, designed to keep you rolling. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for on-the-go repairs. This all-in-one kit features a 14-in-1 multi-tool, tire levers, and a chain hook. It also comes with a convenient saddle bag to store all your essentials. Inside, you'll find 14 precision tools, including a universal chain breaker, various hex keys, wrenches, screwdrivers, and AT25 torques. An extra 3mm Allen wrench is included for adjustments. Crafted from high-tensile CRV steel, this multi-tool is built to last. Its slim profile makes it easy to carry in the included bag or anywhere you go. The roomy saddle bag features an aerodynamic design with multiple pockets. It securely attaches under your seat and can hold not only the tools but also personal items like keys. With quick-release buckles, attaching and detaching the saddle bag is a breeze. Enjoy tool-free installation and removal in seconds. What we like. This product is more than just a saddle bag, it's a complete repair solution. It includes a 14-in-1 multi-tool, tire levers, and a chain hook, all housed in a compact bag. If you're a cyclist who likes to be prepared for any roadside issue and wants all your essential tools neatly organized and accessible, this all-in-one kit is ideal. What people say. The saddle bag is surprisingly spacious, fitting my multi-tool, spare tube, and a small snack with ease. The quick-release mounting system is incredibly convenient, making it easy to attach and detach the bag in seconds. The reflective strip on the back enhances visibility, which is a great safety feature for night riding. Number 2. ROCKBROS Bike Saddle Bag 1.5L. Crafted from robust PU fabric and scratch-resistant rubber, this bag is built to last. Its solid shape, reinforced with PP plates, ensures your belongings are protected from impacts and squeezing. With a 1.5L capacity, it's perfectly sized for your daily essentials. Store your mini pump, wallet, repair kit, and even small items like keys and cards in its organized compartments. Ride with confidence at night thanks to the reflective logo and side straps. It also features a convenient taillight hook for added safety. Installation is a breeze with just 2 simple steps and adjustable straps. It securely attaches to your seat and frame, ensuring it won't interfere with your legs while riding. Whether you ride a road bike, mountain bike, or commuter, this versatile bag is ideal for daily rides and short trips. It's a practical accessory and a great gift for any cyclist. What we like. Constructed from durable PU fabric with a diamond grid and scratch-resistant rubber, this bag is built to withstand wear and tear. It offers a practical 1.5L capacity suitable for daily essentials and features a reflective design for increased night visibility. If you're looking for a sturdy, everyday saddle bag that keeps your items secure and enhances your safety during night rides, this is a great option. What people say. The saddle bag is surprisingly spacious, easily fitting my multi-tool, spare tube, and a small pump. The quick-release mounting system is incredibly convenient, making it easy to attach and detach the bag in seconds. The reflective strip on the back enhances visibility, which is a great safety feature for night riding. Number 1. Roswheel Race Series Ultralight Bike Saddle Bag. Introducing the Race Series Saddle Bag, crafted from tear-resistant jacquard cloth, PU leather, and PVC. It's designed to be stylish, solid, and durable, maintaining its shape over time. Engineered for speed, its streamlined aerodynamic contour minimizes air and wind resistance. This design helps you achieve greater efficiency on your rides. Experience the difference with its ultralight fabric, which is 30% lighter than polyester materials of the same thickness. You'll barely notice it's there. Installation is a breeze with 3 quality Velcro straps ensuring a secure fit. It's designed for quick release, making it convenient for everyday use. This pouch fits most road, mountain, and commute bikes. Please check the dimensions to ensure it meets your needs before ordering. With a 0.6-liter capacity, it's perfectly sized for essentials without adding bulk. Carry what you need with ease and confidence. What we like. Designed for speed and efficiency, this ultralight saddle bag is 30% lighter than similar polyester materials. Its aerodynamic contour minimizes wind resistance, making it ideal for performance-oriented cyclists. If you prioritize weight savings and a streamlined profile for your road bike and only need to carry the absolute essentials, this ultralight option is perfect for you. What people say. The saddle bag is surprisingly spacious, fitting my phone, wallet, keys, and a small repair kit with ease. The quick-release mounting system makes it incredibly easy to attach and detach the bag from the saddle rails, which is great for security and convenience. The reflective strip on the back of the bag significantly increases visibility at night, adding an extra layer of safety for evening rides. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.